Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot workflows to Bubble user events, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the workflows section from the main dashboard. Create a new workflow or select an existing one to modify. Add the trigger that will initiate the workflow. Choose the relevant event that corresponds to a user action in Bubble. Set up any necessary conditions to refine when the workflow should run. Next, navigate to your Bubble app and access the API settings. Make sure the API is enabled for your Bubble app. Generate an API key if you haven't already. Copy the API key for use in HubSpot. Return to HubSpot and add an action in your workflow. Select the option to make an API call. Enter the Bubble API endpoint that corresponds to your user event. Input the API key in the authorization header. Map any required fields from HubSpot to the relevant fields in your Bubble app. Test the API call to ensure it works as intended. Save your HubSpot workflow. Next, return to Bubble to confirm that the user events are being triggered correctly. Monitor the workflow execution in HubSpot for any errors. Make adjustments as necessary based on the test results. Once everything is functioning as expected, activate the workflow. Your HubSpot workflows will now be connected to your Bubble user events, allowing for seamless automation of tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.